A binary compound of oxygen with another element is called oxide. As already stated, oxygen react with most of the elements of the periodic table to form oxides. In many cases, one element form two or more oxides. The oxides vary widely in their nature and properties. Oxides can be simple, example MgO, Al2O3, or mixed, Pb3O4, Fe3O4. Simple oxides can be classified on the basis of their acidic, basic, or amphoteric character. An oxide that combines with water to give an acid is termed acidic oxide. Example SO2, Cl2O7, CO2, N2O5. For example, SO2 combines with water to give H2SO3, an acid. As a general rule, only non-metal oxides are acidic, but oxides of some metals in high oxidation state also have acidic character. Example Mn2O7, CrO3, V2O5. Oxides which give a base with water are known as basic oxide. Example Na2O, CaO, BaO. For example, CaO combines with water to give CaOH whole twice, a base. In general, metal oxides are basic. Some metallic oxides exhibit a dual behavior. They show characteristics of both acidic as well as basic oxide. Such oxides are known as amphoteric oxides. They react with acids as well as alkalis. For example, Al2O3 react with acids as well as alkalis. There are some oxides which are neither acidic nor basic. Such oxides are known as neutral oxides. Examples of neutral oxides are CO, NO, and N2O.